Good. So today we are going to learn about nouns. So what is nouns? Noun, it is the name of persons, places, objects, feelings, and events. Again, class, what is nouns? It is the name of persons, places, objects, and events. So I have here the examples of a noun. So we have the name of persons, places, objects, feelings, and events. So the name of persons, we have the student Annie, vendors, and Mrs. Reyes. The name of places, we have the Quezon City, school, auditorium, and SM Mall of Asia. The name of objects, we have the computer, cell phone, balloon, and Mongol. Class, the word Mongol, it is the brand name of pencil. How about the feelings? We have the happiness, anxiety, sympathy, and excitement. And the last, the name of events is the birthday, family day, concert, and the Halloween party. So all of these are examples of a nouns. Very good. Let's proceed. So we have the two types of a nouns. What are those? So we have the common noun and the proper noun. So what is the common noun? Okay, class, please read. Okay, very good. The common noun, it refers to a general name of persons, places, objects, feelings, and events. And also the common noun, it is start with the lowercase letter. How about the proper noun? Okay, proper noun, it refers to a specific name of persons, places, objects, feelings, and events. And also the proper noun, it is start with the capital letters. Did you understand, class? So what are the two types of nouns? The common noun and the proper noun. So what are the difference between the common and the proper noun? The common noun is the general name of persons and events, and also the proper noun, it is the specific. Okay, class, let's go back to the examples of it. Okay, do you think there is a common and the proper noun? Very good. For example, the Quezon City, it is a common or proper noun? Very good. It is the proper noun because it is a specific name of places and start with the capital letter. How about the Annie? It is the common noun or proper noun? Yes, it is a proper noun because it starts with the capital letter and it is a specific name of persons. How about the cell phone? Yes, very good. It is a common noun because it is a general name of objects and start with the lowercase letter. So can you give me a specific noun of cell phone? Okay, the Samsung, for example, the Samsung, the Oppo, Nokia. So all of these are samples of a proper noun. So let's proceed. Okay, class, look at this table and notice the big difference between the common and the proper noun. So we have here the common nouns and proper nouns. So the common nouns is the restaurant. So the restaurant, we have the proper noun of restaurant, we have the Jollibee. For example, McDonald's, KFC. So all of these are examples of a proper nouns. The brand name of restaurant are called proper nouns. How about the school? We have the Santa Clara International Academy, Antipolo National High School, etc. How about the president? So we have the Ferdinand Marcos. How about the shoes? Adidas. How about the watch? We have the Rolex. The movie, we have the Spider-Man. And that all of these are examples of a proper noun. So the last is the online game, Mobile Legends. So did you understand, class? Do you have any questions or clarifications? None. So again, class, let me ask you, what is noun? Very good. Noun, it is the name of persons, places, objects, feelings, and events. So what are the two types of a nouns? So we have the proper noun and the common nouns. What are the difference between the common and the proper noun? So the common noun, it is refers to general name of persons, places, objects, feelings, and events, and with the lowercase letters. How about the proper noun? So proper noun, it is refers to specific name of persons, places, objects, feelings, and events, and start with the capital letters. Very good. So did you understand, class? Do you have any questions or clarifications? None? Okay, thank you so much, class.